Alright, so I don't know if anyone of y'all else that have an F80 or F8x overall have this issue, but my trunk does not open. Like, I'm about to show y'all right now. Like, if you take a look at this joint, if I open it, it just stays right there. It don't do nothing. I gotta manually put it up, then it just goes down by itself. So let me show y'all something. Alright, so behind these two carpets, there's two springs. Now the springs is what controls your trunk from actually having that tension when it goes up. So what I'm gonna do, I'm gonna grab the spring on both sides. You're gonna see the slot to where you need to put the spring. 9 times out of 10, your spring is pushed forward. You just need to pull it back. Literally, that's it. Come here, camera again. Let me show you something. So if you peel this back just like this, and you go in here, you see the spring. Now there's 2 latches right there. I don't know how well y'all can see that. There's 2 slots. There's one right here and one down here. You need to pull this back into that little groove down there so it can get the tension to keep the trunk up. So let's do that. Shit, my bad. Come back, gang. Alright, so you're gonna take the spring. Now, I'm not gonna lie to y'all, this shit is a little tight. So you're gonna need to put some elbow grease in this motherfucker for it to go back. So you're gonna pull it, pause, and make sure click into that latch right down there. So that's gonna give that one tension, and then we just gonna do the same thing to the other side. Alright, so let's try it now. And voila, trunk goes all the way up with no problem. So like I said, it takes 2 seconds. Just pull the springs back on both sides. For real, when I did it on that one side, it worked perfectly fine, but just to get that security, do it on both sides. And you also gonna feel the spring or the tension inside the trunk itself. So yeah, you good.